In this video, we unbox and quick test a mini LED projector. It's DADvinci time. This is the WONNIE mini LED projector. So let's have a look around the box quickly. So there's a 15 degrees keystone correction function, multi-chip glass lens to reach high quality image, and free exchange from 16:9 ratio to 4.3. There's another picture there which also shows the looks like the type of connections it has there and the various other bits that it's made in China. So let's open this up and see what we've got inside. Let's see if we can get this out. There we go. Let's move the box out of the way. Alright, so here we have it. So we get an instruction manual there, and there's also a warranty card which it looks like it's for the UK in this case, so it gives you, it's actually quite good. So let's have a look what we've got in here. So we've got the standard 3-pin UK plug there. What else have we got? We have a HDMI cable as well, and we have, looks like audio video leads right there, and we also get a remote control. So let's see if we can pull this out now without wrecking it. There we go. Right, so a very compact little projector. So if we get this open now, and you have it. So you can see there's a little lens cover there, some venting on the side. So we have on here, we have an HDMI in, VGA in, that looks like the IR for the remote control. So we've got, looks like a card slot there, headphones, AV, USB, and the input there for the power. So this is a 110 to 220 volt. So on the top we also have a power button. We have, looks like channel up and down. We've got OK, volume, both sides there. We've got a source button and a menu button and some branding on there as well. We've got some caution things, so do not look into the lens in a different language as well as Chinese. So on the front what we'll do is we'll just take this lens cap off, and you can see the lens there, which moves in and out as you would expect. There's also the keystone correction on top, which deals with the tilt, so that when you've got this displaying on a wall or a screen, you can move the lens up and down so that it stays in focus. So underneath we have the details, which includes I'm assuming the power waste means how much power this actually uses. So we've got the lamp is an LED, and we've got the specific model number there. So next, let's give it some setup time. Right, we might be in the dark, but this is quick test time, so I'm just going to fire up the projector so that we can have a look and just have a quick navigate around it. So while that's firing up, I've attached some Bluetooth speakers. Even though I'm not using Bluetooth in this case, I'm just wired up directly to the headphone socket on the projector itself. As you can see on screen now, you've got all the various options, but what we're going to do is we're going to go into select a source, and that source is going to be the HDMI input, which I'm actually using my Amazon Fire Stick on, so hopefully that will come up. And obviously due to copyright, I can only show you other stuff that's come on our channel, so we're going to try and do one of our more fun videos now. So I'm going to see if I can get that selected and then give that a go, and then that will give you an idea of what it looks and sounds like.
In this video, we're going to be testing the solar battery stuff
with mistakes as well.
In today's video, we're going to be testing the durability of the all-power solar UPS. So what I thought we'd do is retro gaming in the garden. It's DADvinci time. So we've made it into the garden. I'm Adrian.
so it's always very difficult to show you the picture quality when you're not actually in the same room, but as you can see, it's working very well using the Amazon Fire Stick, which is probably what some people would use this projector for. During my testing, one thing I did want to mention was the fact that when you are playing things off of perhaps Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, you might need to change the sound setup, because I found that some of the sound, if you like, modes that you get on that don't work properly. They need to be in stereo, otherwise the projector will not send a signal out, or it didn't on my test using the headphone socket. So for example, I watched a film that was in Dolby Digital Plus, and I had to change that to stereo, and once I changed that to stereo, the speakers that are currently connected and you can hear the music in actually worked fine. So that's just one word. So there are going to be some setup nuances with this that you might need to sort out. So as it stands at the moment, this is great. It's a budget projector, it's working perfectly, it's clear to see. I have it mounted on a table at the moment in a box, so it's not the best setup, but I think for a mini LED home projector, I think it's pretty good value. So I'm going to let this play out for a little while longer and be quiet now, so hopefully you can get more of an idea. We hoped you liked our video. All the links you'll need are in the description below. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and stay tuned to DADvinci.